The Global Vipassana Pagoda, Monument of Peace. Vipassana stands for one of the ancient meditation techniques in India. Global Vipassana Pagoda is a meditation hall situated in Gorai, northwest of Mumbai. This is a replica of pagoda in Myanmar. Enables the combination of ancient Indian and modern technology to last a long time. It built entirely through the voluntary donation, as well as built on a donated site between Gorai Creek and the Arabian Sea. Planning for the construction of Global Vipassana Pagoda started in 1997 and completed in October 2006. The entry in pagoda is free for everyone. All the entrance of pagoda, you can see this huge gate, about 40-50 feet in height. As you look closely, there is a beautiful carvings on this gate pillar. The purpose of Global Vipassana Pagoda is to share information about Vipassana and spread informations about Buddha and his teaching. The inside of the pagoda is hollow and serves a very large meditation hall, which acquires 8,000 people at a time. The sacred bones of the Gautam Buddha are kept in the central locking stone of hall. The statue of Gautam Buddha in vicinity hall is very attractive. The spire of pagoda is made entirely of gold. This wheel of Dhamma is sign of octagonal path and also a symbol of progress and life. The first sermon was given by Buddha in Sarnath. It's called Dhamma Chakra Pravartan. This place is maintained by Dhammapatana Vipassana Meditation Center. 10 days Vipassana meditation courses are held free of charge at this place. These are the statues of God and Goddess of Heaven behind the dome of the pagoda. Some of the other structures and statues built surrounding the pagoda area. Pillars carved in gold attracts the attention of coming visitors. The beautiful lines on the wall speaks about religion and humanity and written in Hindi, Marathi and English languages. Heading towards the dome of pagoda, these two elephant statues attract the people. People visit this place to learn meditation techniques. The amazing architecture that attracts the photographers. You can also visit Gorai Beach after visiting pagoda.